The next feature that I wanted to cover was scene transitions. So this is a new feature we've released, and what you'll be able to see is when you create a video within Lumen 5, the tool will automatically provide you with transitions between scenes, whether that's a fade, whether that's an arrow out, that sort of thing happens natively through Lumen 5. And how you can see what transition is between scenes is just by coming into this middle section here. Now, traditionally, you'd be able to add an overlay here, but now what you'll see also is these circles, and this is the transition symbol between scenes as one fades into the other. Now, how you can denote whether there is a transition between scenes or isn't is by this little plus. So if there is a plus, that means there's space to add, versus if there's no plus, that means there is already a transition there. So between scenes 1 and scenes 2, I can hit the add scene transitions button. And now I can get a glimpse of all the different scene transitions that are available. We have arrow wipe, circle wipe, diagonal flow, diagonal wipe, fade normal, and so on and so forth. This is a new feature, so like many things in Lumen 5, we'll continue to add to it, continue to build this. This is just the first iteration of the ability, but gives you a little bit of control over what scene transitions happen. Now, like I mentioned, Lumen 5 will automatically put a scene transition there. So if I go to edit scene transition, there's a recommended button, and this is the one that Lumen 5 has recommended. So if I now go to the preview, go to between scene 5 and 6,
well, only
you'll see it's a short fade. Now you can change this as well. So going in and just selecting something else, but for scene 1 and 2, maybe I want a circle wipe. I'll also be given a directional option. So maybe I want it to go up, and maybe if that's kind of the situation I'm going with, I can select arrow and select up, hit apply, just double check here, that is applied. And now if I preview this video, you'll notice that there is a scene change, or a scene transition between these. So I'll play that.
Is tough. CFOs want numbers, not just engagement.
So yeah, it's a transition between scenes.